kept down as people. We don't get the opportunities to train. So we have to educate everyone up north by building something for the north, and this school is going to do that. My name is Darryl Wastesicoot. I'm the chief of York Factory First Nation. I've been in construction for about 40 years. My role is to bring home education to our people. Sometimes the education is not the quality that urban areas get. They come back failing because there's just not enough support out there.
There's a massive shortage of housing in the North and in First Nations communities. They have 6 times the rate of major repairs needed. The other aspect is there's 63 First Nations communities in Manitoba. None of them have apprenticeship programs. So this project is building a trade center, a polytechnical Wikiwin center. This is going to provide apprenticeship for not only carpentry, but plumbing, electrical, machinery, and culinary arts. The goal of this program is to design houses using local materials and to employ the youth.
Bringing education home is huge for us. It's offering all those programs and trades to our own people.
The youth are really getting a voice and learning that they can make a difference in their community and change not only their home situation, but other people's. And so kids are coming back.
Collaborating with universities and other education institutes is allowing us to figure this all out. We're trying to create for other First Nations as well.
This is a model for other communities where by creating these creator spaces, it's a way of dealing with the local problems, creating opportunities and creative energy for youth to transform their community and their situation where they don't have to leave in order to succeed.